the juiciest homemade beef burger you'll ever taste, and it's easier than you think. Start by mixing 500 grams of ground beef with a bit of salt and black pepper, nothing more. Shape into patties and chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. Heat your pan, add a little oil or butter, and cook the patties on high heat. 2 to 3 minutes per side until perfectly seared and juicy inside. Add a slice of cheddar cheese on top and let it melt. Now toast your burger buns until golden. Then spread a little mayonnaise, place lettuce, the hot patty, tomato slices, pickles, and ketchup. And here's the final result. Crispy, cheesy, juicy. Everything you want in a classic beef burger. Tag someone who needs to try this. And don't forget to save this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yumloom for more delicious recipes. Your taste buds will thank you.